Welcome to the realm of Crocodile, the undisputed king of rivers and swamps. With a lifespan stretching up to 70 years, these creatures are the living embodiment of power and patience. Their armored skin, sharp teeth, and Herculean strength make them an apex predator, unrivaled in their watery domains. Did you know? Crocs have the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom, a whopping 3,700 pounds per square inch. That's like having a mid-sized car chomping down on you. Yet they're not just mindless brutes. Crocs are surprisingly sophisticated, exhibiting complex behavior like working in groups to hunt and even using tools. So next time you're near a river or swamp, remember, you're stepping into the kingdom of the mighty crocodile, where it's survival of the fittest. Embrace the wild, respect the king,